Dumpster rental service in Callahan, Florida. Do you have a pile of debris to clear out but need help figuring out where to start? Whether tackling a home renovation, clearing clutter, or managing a construction project, you need a reliable solution to handle the mess. That's where Freedom Dumpsters Plus comes in. We're proud to provide a dependable dumpster rental service in Callahan, Florida, designed to simplify your cleanup, stress-free and fast. Our team is committed to helping homeowners, contractors, and businesses keep their properties clean and organized. We've covered you, from clearing out years of clutter in your garage to managing construction debris. Our dumpsters are perfect for various projects, such as home renovations, yard cleanups, moving prep, and even large-scale commercial jobs. No matter the mess, we'll help you easily handle it. Serving Callahan, Florida, and the surrounding areas, we take pride in delivering top-notch service to our customers. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we'll go the extra mile to make your cleanup hassle-free. So, if you need a reliable dumpster rental service in Callahan, Florida, Freedom Dumpsters Plus is here. Call us today at 904-892-5362 to book your dumpster and experience the freedom of a clean and organized space. Freedom Dumpsters Plus, your trusted cleanup partner in Callahan, Florida.